Hey pros, Crystal here from Elite Hair Care USA. First and foremost, happy Easter to each and every one of you, as well as your friends and family. So yesterday on my live, I did not get a chance to show you guys the end result of my client who we did the relaxer and color to. So I said I would come on and just give you guys a quick video of her styling process. Now, she actually is a client who came to me directly from YouTube just the same, and she has been with me for the last couple weeks to months. And we did a full relaxer on her. We traditionally don't relax her crown. We usually just try to keep the crown as dense as possible, but it was definitely time today. So I'm curling her using our new Smooth by EHC Mini. And when we say mini, I don't mean like mini flat iron. We're just using that as the name for the plates because this is a 1/2-inch plate or ceramic plate flat iron. Now, I did not spray her down with any additional products because she is very fine in texture. So we're going to save that for last. And I'm just curling her on the 400-degree setting. Now, I'm sorry, you guys, for the camera stopping because I used a very high resolution when I was filming. And apparently the speedy part of the video does not like that. So I know going forward not to use that. Anyhow, she also has a little bit of thinning on her side that we are in the process of growing back. And that came from breakage from doing a permanent color and a relaxer. And those two don't go together if done the wrong direction. So we're just growing her hair out. Now I'm using our Flow 3-in-1 comb to comb her out and just get her nice and styled. Of course, the style came out absolutely amazing, and she definitely loved it. Now, before I let you guys go, I did want to let you guys know that we are having a secret sale. Well, it's secret right now, where all of our serums are $7 as well as 50% off on either crystalwonline.com or elitehaircareusa.com. So you guys go check out the sale, get you guys some serums. That's our B7, our Super Growth, our Hair Repair Serum, and of course our Frizz Control. So you guys get all of those for $7 today. And like I said, happy Easter, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick video, and comment down below if you guys like the style. Bye.